Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about how to create a menu in Oracle Forms. I am actually using Oracle Forms 6i, that is Developer 2000, and today I am going to show you how to develop a menu and attach it in Oracle Forms. So this menu consists of two menu headers. One is master and another is transaction. Master will contain two submenu, that is user master and employee master, and transaction will contains two submenu as employee attendance and employee salary processing. So let's begin. As we can see, we are just currently in the Oracle Forms developer interface, and you can see this menu is here. So to create a new menu, you have to just select this one, and to create the menu module, what you can do, you can either go to this one. You can see this create plus sign, you can click on it, or you can do what you can double click on the menus. So by that you can also create this one. So let's give a name. Suppose name of this is menu, and under this is the menu module. Under this you can see there are lots of objects. One is attached libraries, menus, object groups, parameters, program units. You can create program units and use within this menu. I am not going to the details in this one. This tutorial, I just want to will show how to design a menu in a menu module. So you can I will go navigate to this submenu which is called menus. You can also double click on this one or click on this plus button to create a menu. So you've got this menu. So I'll just name this one a menu underscore master. So after this we will just go to the you can either create the items here. So I will show you just a moment. There is a menu. So I will just go to the design mode. I will not be in this browser interface, object browser interface. I will go to the design mode. How will do it? I will right click on this menu module and just click on the menu editor. So it will take me to the design mode. So I can see here the menu master which I have been created. So I will give the caption here as master master. You can also I will go to show you how to change the caption from the property palette of this menu module, this menu. I'll go to that later on. I'll just build the menu in the design interface. So here's the master. Now there is two things. If you want to create more header menu, what you will do, you will just go to this one, create right. If you create right here, so it will create more header menu which is similar to master. And if you want to create sub menu for a particular header menu, you have to click on this one, create down. When you click on create down, you see the submenu is created. The first submenu is user master, and again I will go. Now if you click again on the create down, it will not create the submenu. It will create and if you click on create down, it will create more submenu under master. This submenu will be not under user master. It will not be the submenu of user master. It will be the submenu of master. So click on this. See, another submenu is created, which is known as the master, employee master. So I will create a right header menu again. Click on this one and name it transaction. Just a moment. So below the transaction, I'll create two submenus by clicking on this one, create down. First one is attendance, employee attendance, and the next one is salary processing. So I'm sorry. So employee attendance and salary processing. So this is the menu I have created. Let's save the menu. Forms rep. Name of this one is menu. Now let's go to the property palette. First I will go to the property palette of master and see what's there. See, first one is whether you want to keep it enabled. Second one is label. As I have said, I have changed the label from in the design mode. You can also change it from here. Change the label from here. Menu item type, plain, checked, radio, separator, magic. So I'll keep it plain. You can also keep it checked. Checked, what happens? Sometimes we see when you use menu in Windows, there is some menu which is we can keep it checked or we can keep it unchecked. So it is the type of that. So I'm not going to this radio and check one. Or now what is separator? Separator, if you have done programming in Visual Basic, in Windows Visual Basic, and if you've done Windows programming, you see there is menu separator. You can also, I think you will find here. See this one, this line between, these are called separators. So you can create a separator menu here. Okay, if you give it separator, this is a menu header. I'm not going to show here. So maybe we can create a separator in this one. Just a moment. Suppose user master, I just create a submenu here and name it, say SEP1. Sorry, SEP1. Now go to this one. Go to the property palette. You can select it and click F4. Now click on separator here. Now see what will happen. See, this is the separator menu. So you have created a separator. So this is what separator is. And let's see another one. That is, I'm going just taking the submenu. It's called magic item. So if you take menu type, item type is magic, you see you can provide this type of magic item. Suppose you want to quit your window, quit your program, you can provide undo, you can provide clear, paste, cut, copy, paste, or all about that. You can make it window, which will be, there will be a drop down of number of windows opened. It can be your about page. This is the magic item. Magic item is which give you some utility. So I'm not concerned with the utility right now. Now the next one is command type. This is very important. See, if command type is null, then it is just null. You just click on it, nothing will happen. So what we are concerned here, that is command type PLSQL. When we are creating a simple menu, we are concerned about command type PLSQL. So go to the PLSQL. See, here is something. You write your PLSQL code. So I just print a message here. You clicked on what is user master. I think this will work. Just pause. I'm going to explain it later on. So next one is employee master. The same thing, command type, let me PLSQL. You clicked on employee master. Just I'm making this one as none, otherwise you cannot compile this one. If you this is something to inform that if you keep the command type PLSQL, you have to provide a PLSQL there, otherwise there will be a compilation error. Okay, you cannot compile the menu. Let's save it and compile this one. It's compiled. Because I have not used any table or any database, so it's not required to connect to the database. Now I am going to take a form and attach it to the menu. Just I have created the form by clicking on Ctrl N and go to the property palette. See, in the property palette, what you see, there is a called menu source. So menu source is file. In the file, it is given default ampersand smart bar, which is a default default menu of Oracle inbuilt menu. You have I hope you have seen it before, which contains all this execute query, enter query, and utility toolbar. So I just will delete this one and write menu dot mmx. So what is mmx? When you create a menu, the menu design module or the file you save is filename.mmb, and when you compile it, the executable file is menu.mmx. So that is I've attached the menu here. If you can give this relative path if you keep both the form and the menu on the same location. If you put the menu on different location, you have to put the absolute path here. Suppose C:_, C:, forms / wherever you keep it. So I'm going to save this form also, say test1. So I've saved it. Now to run this form, I require to put some add some item here, otherwise the form will not run. I hope the message will display. I hope so, because if it does not display, I have to then create an alert message box, and that will be a different tutorial. So let's run this form, compile this form first. Cancel. See what happens. Okay, I have to connect it. Just a moment, let's connect it. So let's run this one. Oops, cannot read the file menu. Cannot read the file menu. I think the absolute path is not working. I put this two files in the same directory, but still sometimes this happens that this does not work. Let's not go to the argument. I'm just putting the absolute path here. So let's see, check once that both of them are in the same path. Yes, it is there. From see this menu mmb file and this one. What is this one? Menu compiled. It is here, and test1 is also here. So it does not need to happen, but still I'm just giving the absolute path here. D forms rip. Now see. Let's see what is the output. Yep, here it is. And user master seems to be disabled. Oh my god, I put control X. Just showing you that menu, utility menu, and I think let's go to the properties and check it once again. Okay, this where is the menu? Here is the menu. Transaction. This is master menu. Okay, user master. User master, this one, control X, magic. Oh my god, this is plain. User master enabled. Now it's done. So let's compile it again and let's run it. Please acknowledge. I have put that pause there. You clicked on employee master. See, a message I have given. No, you clicked on employee master. So what I am going to do, I am just going to remove that that one, that pause, and put the message twice. So let's see what happens after. If I think then the message will be popped instead of pressing this pause menu. You can also press F11 to open the PLSQL editor. Copy this one and paste this one. Again compile it. Place Ctrl T to build the compiled MMX. Now run it. What happened? Yeah, you clicked on user master. You clicked on employee master. See, here is no messages here. I have put up the PLSQL command type to be none. So if we put this one, transaction, just change the command type to PLSQL. Command type to PLSQL and just add the message here. Clicked on employee attendance. Paste again. F11 employee salary. Build the MMX. Main runtime build one, Control T. You can also go compile on compile selection. Let's not forget about it. Press Control T. MMX is rebuilt. Run this one. Transaction. You clicked on employee attendance. Clicked on employee salary. So that's all about a simple menu. We have seen how to build a menu, how to build it in design mode, how to attach it in the form from the form's property palette, and there is a little issue about the relative path. I don't know, some might have occurred, so I put you have to just put the absolute part there. So that's all about a simple menu. Maybe we'll come later on and talk about other command types and using macros or using magic menu and all rest of that. So that's all for today. Thank you.